Here we're looking at the Dow, and we did see this pull back a little bit from the initial range it had today. It had a very nice move up into the 17,000. I talked about that being significant resistance. We saw that hit that around 16,933, and it backed off a little bit here. Really kind of having a tough time breaking back higher. Now you got to watch to see if we break back under this 16,670 level. You could see that at the 50-day moving average. If we start to see that breaking, I do think you could see this going much lower into the 16,300 level, or maybe even much lower into the 16,100 range. But I really do think that it's been trying to rally back here, but still having a tough time doing so. So as I said in the other videos, although we're still seeing a new high, I'm still not sold to the upside, or the strength of the move to the upside. It still seems a little weak in my opinion. If we can get a strong move up and over the 17,200, then maybe I'll be a bullish believer. But in the meantime, I'm still very cautious of any move to the upside, and know that there's resistance at that 17,000 and then 17,200 level. And now we're starting to see some pulling back from that. Anyway, just watch for any commitment break through this midpoint of the 16,400 level. I think that would really start to send this much deeper, at least into the 16,000 level. That would be my first major support. It would have to kind of hold any break there, and that would probably bring us back down to 15,000. I wanted to say thanks for I did the video last night, the webinar, and I thought it was I hoped it went rather well for everyone. Talked a lot about GAN and market analyst, and what it can do for members. I was hoping that they might find that helpful. I think some of them did. No, we had about not as big of a crowd as I thought. We had a lot of signups, but unfortunately, some people probably had some things they had to take care of. Anyway, was happy to kind of get it done, and hopefully I try to fit a lot in there, so hopefully it was helpful to those that attended. Anyway, okay, that's it for the Dow, and again, hope everybody had a good time at the webinar. There was, I did put a lot in there, and I think it did show some different ways of looking at some price action.